demonstration of how to clean a Cindy doll. I'll show you what tools and materials I've got. Bowls full of water. This one's got washing up liquid in it. Cream cleaner, hydrogen peroxide solution, Oxy 10. I'd put a blob of this Oxy 10 on, spray it with cling film to stop it drying out. Cheap shampoo, nourishing conditioner. I've got a bar of soap and 2 toothbrushes, classic sponge scourer. Extra strong gloves. Grubby old Cindy. Right, get my sponge nice and wet. Cream cleaner, so I'm just going to get cracking with giving this a scrub. I'm just going to be careful when I get to the hip and brush that way. I'm going to do the arms just the same way that I did the legs and the torso as well. If your doll has got mould on the legs or anywhere on the body, that's when the hydrogen peroxide comes in. So you could use a bowl in this shape that you could sit your doll in, and you pour the hydrogen peroxide dilution in and just sit here in that for a few days. Say you've got just the legs in the hydrogen peroxide, you might see that they go really pale and you might panic and think, oh my god, the leg's going to be a completely different colour. But don't worry, because when it dries, it kind of goes back to the normal colour. Please subscribe if you like the video and share it. And click the alarm bell for reminders. And like and comment, thank you. I can use some soap. Just a bar of hand soap here. And work up a bit of a lather with your toothbrush. And then into the palm of the hand like that, all around the wrists and the tricky bits that you can't get to very easily. Under the arms. And then the face, I'm going to use a much softer brush. Brush around the face like this. And what I want to make sure is that I don't push the eyelashes in, because they're quite difficult to get out once they've gone in. All around the mouth. It's lovely when the face comes up clean. Now she's ready to have her hair done. I'm going to put her upside down in there. It's spa day for Cindy. Because I don't like too much conditioner. Hair keeps its curl better if it doesn't have too much conditioner on it. That's blended. Okay, and she just gets dipped in there. I'll use the soft toothbrush again to rinse around the eyes there. She's looking good. Make sure her hair's got conditioner out. Now, what I do next is I try and get as much water out of the hair as I can. Try and hold her as firmly as I can, because I don't want the body to break. Or the elastic in the body, I should say. Just flick that out. Like that. And she'll dry more quickly. Yes, I'll brush her hair while it's still wet. That will be a good move. One of the benefits of brushing the hair while it's still wet is that you can then style it. And you want to be careful when you're brushing the hair that you don't pull it out of the roots. And so if you can pinch it as much as you can when you're brushing, this can help. What I usually do to make it kind of lie flat in the right way is I'll brush it down like that, and then I'll place a hairband over her head like that, and then I put her in the sunshine to dry. And you really want to make sure that you're getting the moisture is going to be able to get out from inside those hips and the arm. If you can wedge the arm a bit when you're with a matchstick, perhaps when you're drying it. And I usually put them above the radiator, or in the summer, if the sun was shining in my garden right now, I'd put them actually directly in the sun, and they're good to go, and they dry quite quickly. She's ready. And if I wanted to curl the hair, I'm not really very good at hair, to be honest. Curl the hair like that. You can play. Thank you for watching. It was lovely to have you. And I hope you enjoy cleaning your Cindy dolls. That's all for now. See you later. Bye.